you've ever wanted to find the right product, the right drone, without having to search through different places and worry about different firmwares. It says, random question, I came across your YouTube channel and I'm trying to get into FPV drones for the first time. As per your recommendation, I'm getting the Walksnail $200 goggles and the Radio Master Pocket. Great combo. But I'm having a hard time finding a Mobula 8 Walksnail. Is the Meteor 85 basically the same thing? Or is it worth waiting on the Happy model Mobula because of the firmware? And then I had to explain a couple of things. The firmware that we are talking about specifically here, like ELRS, is the receiver that's going to talk to your radio. And as far as Walksnail comes, that is purely to talk to the goggles. So the video transmitter talking back to your goggles. And I thought, well, if you are having trouble finding the Mobula 8, what is the best way that you can find a Walksnail product? And this was like a perfect example of one of the things I can't wait to show about DIY FPV. The site wasn't live it's not live at the time of he's would have got this response. But if we go here to the catalog and say the Mobula 8 was out of stock, right? This is probably the worst time. Okay, now if we look up Walksnail, this is where it's going to save so many people some time. Oh, look at this. Here's the Walksnail 1S kit, but we're still in whoops. Notice we're still in drones, like ready to fly, like the Mob 8. But look at this. If you would like to find some Walksnail compatible drones, we have all these right here. So a really, really powerful feature now. Not only can you search things inside here, but you can also limit and add some different filters in and things like that. So yeah, just very, very exciting stuff that I can't wait to have this site live, have it going out to you. So if you've ever wanted to find the right product, the right drone, without having to search through different places and worry about different firmwares, we're going to have some pretty powerful features. And then too, just for an example, if you want to click on them, it takes you to directly of where you can get them from, shows you if it's in stock, out of stock. You're going to be able to sort by like your locations, have it in different currencies. You're going to have your preferred stores. And there's no affiliates or anything like that. Like as soon as you click on this will just go directly. Hopefully this works. It'll take you directly to the store. So yeah, very, very cool stuff that I can't wait for people to have access to DIY FPV. If you've got any features you would like that site to have, please let me know.